Do you want to block someone on your Facebook page? You can ban anyone from the Facebook business page with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on your Facebook page. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Blocking someone from a Facebook page is to restrict their access and interaction with the content and community associated with your page. This action is usually taken to maintain the integrity and safety of the page. To block someone from a Facebook business page, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once open, go to the Facebook business page from where you want to ban someone. Once on your business page, look for and tap the three horizontal lines icon at the top right of the screen. On an iPhone, it is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. From the expanded menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Page Settings to access all settings. Scroll through the various page settings until you find the blocking under the Privacy section. Once found, tap on it. Tap on Add to Blocked List to restrict someone's access to your page. Use the search bar to type the first or last name of the person you want to block. Scroll through the search results and find the person you wish to ban from your Facebook page. Once you've located the person, tap on Block next to their name. A pop-up menu will appear with options. Choose whether you want to block just that account or block that account and any other profiles associated with that person. After selecting your preferred option, tap on Confirm to finalize the blocking action. By following these simple steps, you will block the selected person from accessing your Facebook business page. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.